Psalm 126 is a beautiful declaration of restoration and joyful deliverance after a time of deep sorrow and captivity. In spiritual warfare, this psalm becomes a prophetic cry of hope and a declaration of breakthrough for those who have suffered long, wept deeply, and remained faithful under pressure. It is a psalm of victory after suffering, sowing through tears and reaping in triumph. Spiritual warfare prayer, Psalm 126. Those who sow in tears shall reap in joy. When YAHUAH turned again the captivity of Zion, we were like them that dream. Then was our mouth filled with laughter, and our tongue with singing. Then said they among the nations, YAHUAH has done great things for them. YAHUAH has done great things for us, and we are glad. O YAHUAH, you see the tears I've sown in secret. You see the nights of mourning, the years of captivity, the weariness of waiting. Turn again our captivity, O YAHUAH, as the streams in the Negev. Let joy rush in like water. Let breakthrough spring forth like rivers in dry land. Let every chain break under your hand. Let every captivity end by your word. They that sow in tears shall reap in joy. He that goes forth and weeps, bearing precious seed, shall doubtless come again with rejoicing, bringing his sheaves with him. O righteous judge, honor every act of faithfulness done in affliction. Reward every prayer sown in hope, every fast offered in secret, every seed planted in obedience. Let not our tears be wasted. Let not our affliction be in vain. Turn sorrow into dancing and mourning into songs of deliverance. I declare by faith, my weeping was not weakness, it was warfare. My suffering was not defeat, it was sowing. And now I shall reap with joy. YAHUAH has done great things for me, and I will rejoice. He who brought me low will lift me up. He who washed my pain will crown me with praise. I receive my sheaves. I receive my recompense. I receive the joy of those who never stop trusting. In the name of Yahshua HaMashiach, the first fruit of resurrection, the restorer of Zion, and the joy of those who endure, Amen.